how to buy and install a new Mozillion Travel eSIM on an Android. First, choose the Travel eSIM tab on the Mozillion website. Pick where you're travelling to. Now choose the data you'll need and how long you'll need it for. All done? Hit Buy Now. Next, make sure your device is unlocked and eSIM compatible. If you're not sure, go back a step and click Check Compatibility. Once you've checked, tick the Travel eSIM box and go to Checkout. Scroll down and fill in your details. Or, even easier, open your Mozillion account if you have one. When everything's complete, you're nearly there. Check all your personal details are correct. Then enter your card details or the payment method you prefer. Next, check your email. We'll send you a QR code to install your eSIM. Press and hold down the code, or simply scan it with your camera. A couple of last things. Just before you leave for your destination, switch off data roaming on your primary line. And as soon as you reach your next country, your data usage will start. So make sure you select Mozillion for mobile/cellular data. Lastly, when you're back home, do the reverse. Turn off Mozillion for data and go back to your original settings. And that's it. Your data is all sorted. Have a great trip. Roam the world for less. Mozillion Travel eSIM is your passport to massive savings when you roam in 200+ worldwide destinations.